The secretions of the stomach are released into the lumen via gastric pits. These pits contain mucus cells, parietal cells, chief cells, and enteroendocrine cells. Mucus cells produce a cloudy two-coat of alkaline mucus which protects the stomach from acid. Chief cells secrete pepsin and they release an enzyme that aids in the breakdown of proteins. Enteroendocrine cells release gastrin, which stimulates the parietal cells to release hydrochloric acid into the stomach lumen. Water and carbon dioxide form to make carbonic acid, which further breaks down into a bicarbonate and a hydrogen ion. This bicarbonate is taken to the capillaries to go to the rest of the body, and the hydrogen ion is taken to the stomach lumen for acidity. Carbonic anhydrase keeps the reaction going in one direction.
Acetylcholine, gastrin, and histamine bind to their receptors for protein activation to turn on active transport. This allows hydrogen ions into the stomach lumen via ATP pumps.
Gastric ulcers are caused by persistent damage to underlying tissues. Minor causes of gastric ulcers leading to increased acid production include coffee, alcohol, stress from when you have 2 practicals this week, finals next week, oh, and this video project's due. Anti-inflammatory drugs such as ibuprofen.
Acidic conditions are necessary for ulcers to form, but acidity alone cannot create them.
Main cause of gastric ulcers is a pre-existing bacteria in the stomach called the Helicobacter pylori. The Helicobacter pylori bacteria commonly live in the mucosal layer. Usually it is inactive, but occasionally it causes inflammation of the stomach's mucosal layer. The Helicobacter pylori bacteria burrow like a drill through the mucus and destroy the protective mucosal layer, creating the stomach ulcer. Some treatments include prescribed antacids such as pantoprazole.
Pantoprazole is a proton pump inhibitor. This blocks the gastrin receptor, therefore reducing acid secretions. There are over-the-counter cytoprotective agents such as Pepto-Bismol, which protect tissues living in your stomach.
Hey, there's Pepto-Bismol. Nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, diarrhea. Hey!